Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine and in today's video we are going to talk about how you can insert a picture in Microsoft Excel. So basically in Microsoft Excel you can insert a picture in two ways. You can insert a picture directly inside of a cell, which is this, so this is one cell, or you can insert a picture just on your document, so it's gonna be right here, alright? So in this video, we're gonna see the two ways. So to be able to insert a picture, you can just click on the insert button and here you'll be able to insert a picture. All right, so you select picture and you can choose between place in a cell and place over a cell. So the ways that you can insert a picture is pretty simple. You can select a picture from your device if you have a picture on your computer simply by clicking this device. If you have a picture on your phone, you can just click on mobile device and you'll have to scan a QR code. You can insert a picture from stock images, and finally a picture from online. So it's a little bit like stock images. So we'll select a picture from stock images. So we'll go inside of stock pictures, and here you'll have access to a variety of pictures that are free of rights. So we'll just go down here, choose one picture. So let's select this person playing basketball. So please take note, the picture will be inserted inside of a cell. So as you can see right here, the picture have been inserted. Of course, it's not possible to see it in big format since the picture is small. So what we can do to see it in the big format, we can just make our cell larger. So as you can see here, our picture is been inserted inside of our Excel document and inside of a cell. So as you can see, the more I make the cell big, the more the picture becomes big. Now, if I want to insert my picture inside of my document, so not necessarily in one cell, but just on the document. So how I can do this? In this case, I will just go in pictures and select place over cell. Once again, we're gonna go in stock images and we are going to select the exact same picture. So here it is, and we're gonna click on insert. And right now we have another picture that this time we can move around and place it whatever we want. It's not locked in just one cell. Once again, we can make it smaller, we can make it wider, is how we want. If, of course, we decide to take this picture and put it inside of a cell, as you can see here, there is a little button that will appear that says place in a cell. You can just click on it. And as you can see, your picture has been added inside of a cell. So this is pretty much how you can insert a picture. Once again, if you want to take it out of the cell, there is another button that will appear that will say place over cells. You can just click on it, and as you can see, the picture has been placed over the cells, and I can play with it and move it around. Thing that I can do with a picture that is inside of a cell. So this is how you insert pictures in Microsoft Excel. Once again, as I said, you can directly insert pictures from your device, from your phone, from stock photos, and finally directly from the internet. So if we go inside of pictures, we select place over cell, we go on online pictures, and we click on it. What you will be able to see is that you simply will be able to look for a picture, and you will have pictures directly from Bing that will appear. So let's say airplane, for example, and we'll be able to select a picture of an airplane. So here we go. You have a little bit more selection when you select pictures directly from the internet. So as you can see here, I have a picture of an airplane. I can put it once again directly inside of a cell. Just delete the text here. There we go. I can put it directly inside of a cell if I want to, but otherwise, as you can see, it has been added inside of a cell. There we go. So otherwise, if I want to play with it around, I can just take it out of the cell. So this is how you pretty much insert a picture in Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you found value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.